Assalamualaikum, Dr. Sukairi and Dr. Hussein. I'm HAFIY NAUFAL will present my planning project for the IoT and data analytic course. The theme of this project is social analytic and the title is experiment in badminton tournament. I have simulated a system to monitor various environmental conditions and audience behavior. This project shows how IoT enable real-time data acquisition, analysis and visualization, also enhance the decision making and user experience. This project demonstrates the integration of the IoT architecture layer, which is the perception layer. The sensor and component that collect the raw data include the temperature, audience motion, heart rate and sound level. The network layer, which is the Wi-Fi module, connect the system to the internet. Application layer, the ThingSpeak platform, visualize the collected data, enable real-time analytics and insight. In this project, I have designed a system to monitor temperature, which is using a DHT22 sensor to measure the surrounding temperature. For the audience count, which is using 2-byte PIR sensor to track the number of people entering and exiting the badminton hall. Heart rate simulated using potentiometer to represent average audience heart rate. Sound level simulated using another potentiometer to represent sound level in decibels, such as cheering and clapping. So PIR sensor is placed first PIR sensor is placed at the hall entrance to count people entering, while the second is placed at the exit to count people leaving. The HT22 sensor measure the temperature in the hall. Potentiometer represent heart rate and sound level. For example, the heart rate range from 60 to 120 bpm and the sound level range from 50 to 100 decibel. These sensors are connected to Raspberry Pi Pico, which process the data and send to ThingSpeak. Now I will run the simulation. This is the simulation of my mini project. I have enlarged the circuit for better display, and this is the initial data before the sensor is detected. After I run the simulation, the temperature, which is 29.2, heart rate 60 and sound level 50 will update for the data in data to speak for the reading number 1. Then I have adjusted the sensor reading for each sensor. We need to wait until the ThingSpeak is updated data for reading number 1. Okay, after that it will read for the second reading, which is temperature 26.4 degrees Celsius, heart rate 71.08 and sound level 61.67. I have also updated the data reading for number 3 to update in ThingSpeak. I've adjusted also the heart rate and the sound level for PIR motion sensor to simulate the motion to detect the presence of people in the hall. Yes, after it detect the people in the hall, people entering the hall, it will update the data as we can see in this simulation in the graph. Also heart rate have been increased. After that, we try to update more reading in this data visualization. This after the reading number 3, the data have been updated. Heart rate, sound level about 91.08 for heart rate and 78.88 for sound level. Then I try to use the PIR sensor that detect the people leaving the hall. Right now the people in the hall is 2, and let's we see if the sensor can function to detect the people leaving the hall or not. We need to wait for the next reading to update in the ThingSpeak. This is all the data that have been updated, currently updated in the ThingSpeak. After the 5th reading, the sensor of PIR detect the people leaving the hall, which is 1 people, and now only left 1 people in the hall. All data also have been updated, which is for heart rate, sound level and temperature. Yes, only left one person in the hall. And that's all for my simulation in this mini project presentation, and thank you.